Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Ghulam Qadir Sumro and you are watching my YouTube channel Ainki. Today I'm gonna talk about how to delete unnecessary application from F17 Pro OPPO. First of all, go to YouTube, open YouTube application, click on search bar and right here my channel Ainki. Okay, just subscribe it and click on the bell icon, click on all, and you can get all the notifications whenever I upload any kind of video. So let's start. So first of all, just click on setting and scroll up, then click on the application management, then app list, then here come from this upper side two dots, click on the show system. From this option you can see the whole system software also. Now just see which kind of application you do not have necessary. Search these applications that which are not necessary. Search the application. So here I am gonna disable or uninstall about this one. It's not in my use always, so just clear data. Okay, force stop. If there is disable option is visible, then just click here. If not, then leave it. Go back and scroll up. Now here is duo. Duo is not in my usage, so I will come in storage and usage. Just clear data. I am doing it because its background files are also used in file manager that will increase the space, so just uninstall it. Back, scroll up, once again find some kind of file which are not in use, game space, clear data, back, uninstall. Okay, come back. Now here are Google News. It's also unnecessary for me. Clear data, come back, uninstall. Okay, what about the Google? You can just clear its data or search one. Come back, search another thing. Google Podcast, I think it's not necessary for me. I haven't used this application yet. OPPO Relax is not usable for me. Just clear data. Okay, come back, uninstall. Okay, this is another application which is not usable for me. Just clear data or uninstall it. Come back, scroll up, because a lot of applications have installed by default. Some of are usable and some of are not. Okay, here I could not find more. Come back, another, come back, come to storage is 3.80 GB.